Hello everyone, welcome to SuNi Art. This is SuNi. Today I want to show you this simple painting, Pansy, okay, with different color. The Pansy, I will use the same stroke that you learned before, is the S stroke and the comma stroke. Okay, the color mix for this project, for this painting, the color that I use are from SuNi Art and Craft. So the mix, I have few mix. The purple color is purple I make with mixed with some white color. Then the second mix is the purple color again, but mixed with more white color. Then the blue Pansy, I use some marine blue, add with some white color. That's all. These are my color mix. Okay, you can pre-mix your color before you start. But in this project, I wish to do some background effect. Most of my painting, actually, I like to have some stamping, wording at the back as a background. So today I will show you how to use the wooden stamp to do the background. Okay, I collect a lot of stamps. This one is the wooden stamp. Okay, so if you don't have the rubber stamp, if you don't have the stamp pad, you can use the acrylic, the normal acrylic paint for the stamping. Okay, you need to have a spun, a normal spun, or I like to use this more high density spun. This one is called magic spun that you can buy from the Daiso. So you dab the color using the spun, but not so much. I will show you how. Here is the color. Just dab. Not too much of paint. If too much, then it tends to smudge later. So because acrylic paint, you have different color, so you can choose any color you want. Other than white color, maybe you can have some light, maybe I want to have some light blue or purple color, okay? Okay, now you just stamp on the position. Make sure the surface is flat. Then just press on. Okay, you see, very nice effect. Then you have to blow dry before you paint. And this one, the stamp, you just wash with the spun and also with the brush cleaner. Okay, so I blow dry first before I continue. Okay, now already blow dry, so we are let us start to paint the Pansy. So for this Pansy, because it's very small only, so I use this filbert number 2 and also the liner brush, only 2 brushes for the Pansy. So the Pansy stroke that we practiced before, if you are not sure about the stroke, you can refer to my previous video, which I have the link in the description section, okay? So come, let us paint the Pansy now. For the very back petal, I use the mix number 1. Mix 1 is the Diox purple mixed with some white color for the back petal. I start from here. Okay. You can do 2 layers, paint 2 layers after it dry, because you still can see the background wording. Okay, so can let it dry first before I continue the other petal. Wipe off your brush, or you can wash, because now I'm going to use the blue color for the petal here. So take the blue color on your brush, your filbert number 2. So the stroke is S stroke pushing up, then comma. Okay, S stroke and comma. Okay, so here I would like to paint here with the S stroke. Always remember, go back to the center. Here, turn, go back to the center. One more time, because it's not opaque yet, you still can see the base, right? So you can do one more layer. Here also. Okay. Now here I still using the blue color, but the blue color you can side load the whole brush with blue color, but side load with some white color. So you can see different patterns. I will stroke from the bottom, go to the center. Again, turn, comma stroke. Okay, complete already one pansy. I will paint again because the color still not opaque yet. So if you master the stroke already, you can paint the flower very fast. Okay, so now we continue with another pansy in purple color. Still the same color, the first mix, the purple mixed with the white, but not too much of white. Here another one. S, then comma, go to the center. S, comma, go to the center. Okay. Now I want a lighter purple, so you mix with more white color. The second mix of the purple mix with more white. For the third petal here, go to the center. So another side. Okay. The back one I can paint one more time. Then the front also you can do the second time. So the front one, the last petal will be the bigger one here. You can mix with more white color. Your purple can mix with more white color, so you can see different petal. Here you see the stroke is from the bottom to the center. Same. Complete the second pansy. The third pansy will be the same as the second pansy. Okay? The third one will be the same. Okay, now the small flower. This one is not fully open up. It's like the flower bud. How to paint this one? Okay, the stroke is just like this. Okay, also the small comma stroke. So I will paint here, maybe in blue color. I wash the brush first. So blue mixed with a bit of white color. Here. Okay. just like that. Then you need only the purple color. Because I want to paint the center line, use the liner brush. Okay, liner brush. The paint, you can add some water, make it more runny, so easy for you to paint. Okay, you have to stroke paint from inside, go out. Okay, from the center, same as here, you can have few strokes here, here. You do notice that I hold my brush very near because it's easier for me to control the brush. A good brush is very important for painting. So this is a very good brush from Germany. It's an animal hair. I like to use this brush very much. Thank you to my teacher, Teacher Anita. She introduced me this brush. Okay, done. Then the center, we will have like a smiling face in white color. So using the same brush, paint the center. You can have more paint on your brush. Okay, more paint. So do a smiling face, left and right. Okay, just left and right, a smiling face. More paint on the brush. Same here. Then the center, I will use the darker yellow. I like to use this honey yellow for the center. Still using the same brush, just a dot. Okay, just a dot. Very simple. Done. Then you can now take out the two green that I usually use, pine green and the moss green, to paint the stem and the leaf. These two green, pine green and the moss green. So you mix the pine green with the moss green, paint the stem using the same brush. You can have more moss green because I have a very dark surface. Okay. If you want to have some you also can have some highlight with the white color. Okay, some highlight with the white color on your brush. So here we have to paint using again your number 2 filbert to paint the calyx of the flower. Pine green and moss green also. Stroke from the bottom here. Go up. Just like that. Okay? Sometimes I like to use the liner also. Mix with some of the pine green. Okay, then we paint the leaf. The leaf is the same that I paint, the same strokes that I usually do all my paint with the same technique. I would like to use the pine green first. Okay, here, all the common stroke. Okay, then take some of the moss green to stroke again. Same as here, pine green first. some more screen before it dry. Okay, maybe here one more. Okay, done already. Maybe you want to have some highlight, you can have some more screen. Okay, hope you like my design. Happy trying. Thank you for watching.